Hello, I'm going to give you a demonstration now of drawing a human figure. It's going to be a male figure and just basic proportions. It'll be a quick sketch to give you an idea. So, here's the head, and the body is usually about 7 heads tall. That's excluding the head itself. Sometimes you'll hear people say 8 heads tall, but that would be with the head included. The body itself is about 7, more or less. It varies. This is an adult proportion that we're talking about. For a child, it would be quite a bit different. So a drawing basically where the spine would be, and that's the pelvis. Those top 2 sections are the torso. Now the legs, put those little kneecaps in, more or less halfway. And the feet, it's like making a little skeleton or wireframe. Shoulders. Now the upper and lower arm. And I'm not really going to do too much for the hands right now. Okay, starting to flesh out the body. Just basic shapes at this point. Now putting some meat on the legs. Just a little indication for the feet and where the pants legs would end, because this guy is wearing clothes. That's about all I'm going to do right now with that one. And let me transition into a different one that I did. I developed this one a little bit more. And you can see he's just kind of standing there like, duh. It's not a very interesting pose. But for anything more complicated than this, I would recommend using a reference. I didn't use one for this, but it gives you an idea anyway. It's a very complicated subject. And if you start putting the figure in motion, it gets even more complicated. But that's a basic illustration for you. And thank you for watching. See you again soon.